Hello and welcome to Solidworks Station. My name's Stuart, and in today's tutorial we're going to look at creating this lofted surface. This has been produced using the Surfaces tab in Solidworks 2019, and by the end of this tutorial, if you do run into any difficulties getting the end result, or you've not understood the content properly, then do get in touch and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Best of luck everyone, and let's get started. Now I'm going to start this off in the top plane and normal to, and go to the sketch tab, and we're going to create a new sketch. The first sketch we're going to create is this slot. It's a straight slot, so I'm going to left click on that, left click on my origin, move my mouse across and up. Okay, now I'm going to put some values in here now, so I'm just going to press the escape key. I don't want another one, and I'm going to change this value to 80, and I'm going to change this value over here to 40. Okay, I also want to get a smart dimension, in there, knowing that my radius is going to be 20. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to produce another plane. So we can exit this sketch, and you can click on the top plane for me, go to Features, Reference Geometry, and Plane. We've got our first reference as the top plane, and we're going to create a 40mm offset between our original top plane and our new plane. If you want to increase this at all, you can. You can have a play around with the values in here. I'm going to do mine at 40. And we're going to click the green tick. Okay, we're going to go to the plane 1 now, normal 2, and we're going to create a sketch. And we're going to draw a circle in here on the origin point. And we can go and dimension this up. So let's give this a diameter of, we could do 30. Okay, and green tick. Okay, so you should have something like that. We can turn plane 1 off now. We don't need that. And let's go into a right plane view. Okay, so right plane, normal 2. And from here I want us to go to sketch and to spline, and you're going to draw a spline from here. Okay, before we do, actually, I'm just going to press the escape key. We're going to click on this line and we're going to select convert entities. Now what that's done is it's converted that circle, okay, and it's placed a center line from quadrant to quadrant on this circle. Just going to press Control 8 again on my keyboard for a normal 2 view, and Control 8 again, spin that round, and I'm going to get a spline and draw from this point now that I've converted to this point here. Then right click and select. Spline again from this point down to this point, right click now and select. Okay, so it's been a left click, right click, select. From here we're going to draw 2 lines down from these points. Just ensure that they're vertical. Go back to line, another line down from here, and select both of these lines, holding down Control, and ensure that they are for construction. Now from here we need to select this line, hold down Control, and we need to change this one, actually. Change this to construction, and select this line and the construction line and make those tangent, and smart dimension this up as well at 20, and then same on this side. So this line and this line and this line, make these tangent, smart dimension this up. This can be 20, And then down at the bottom here, what we're going to do is just pierce at this point, hold down control and pierce, and same again on this side. So just selecting the point, hold down control, select the slot and choose pierce. Okay. Right, let's go to a front plane now and normal to. Okay, so from here we need to go into sketch and create a sketch on our front plane. We're going to click on this circle at the top and we're going to convert entities. Then we're going to do the same again, get a spline and draw our spline down from this point, left click, this point, left click, right click now and select. Let's draw a line vertically down from here and make this for construction. And then we want this line, we need to change this, actually this one to a construction line. Okay, so we want this line and this line to be tangent. Okay, and we want this point and this slot to pierce. Okay, I'm just going to change this line as well. So this line here, sketch 6, this line here needs to be for construction, green tick, exit that sketch, perfect. Okay, so from here we're going to go into surfaces, we're going to go to Lofted Surface, pick our profiles, so we've got the circle and we've got the slot, and you can see we're getting an idea of what our surface is going to look like here. And then we need to go to guide curves. So guide curves are at this one, we've got this one. Now it's asking me here, do I want to select this guide curve? Okay, so open the groups, and this one it'll ask me again, so just watch for this little box appearing. Okay, if you're wondering why it's not working, just left click on the green tick there and it will add it to the group, and you can see it's now taken on that shape. So I'm going to click on the green tick, Control 7 on my keyboard, and there we have it. We're going to go and apply some appearances to that now. So I've gone into appearances and rubber, just got this glossy rubber, drop that onto the body, and then you could go ahead and render that out. So that's been a intermediate tutorial on lofted surfaces and the surfaces tab. I hope that's been beneficial, I hope it's been useful, and I hope you can use that in some of the projects that you might be doing at the moment. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Solidworks Station, and I'll see you all very soon for another tutorial. Just a plug as well, don't forget the live event on the 15th of April 2020 at midday, 12 o'clock. We'll be doing a beginner's guide to SolidWorks. Hopefully see you all then.